Shakespeare called the word home the most powerful word in the English language. The essence of our homes transcend mere physical structures of brick and mortar. Our home graces us with an overwhelming sense of safety and protection, a haven from the world's challenges and fears. Home is where we feel valued most by those we share this short life with, reinforcing cultural identity and generational continuity. Home is the center of our traditions, our rituals, and our celebrations at holidays and family gatherings, building lifelong memories with those most dear. It is a space to experience warmth, love, and affection, forming overall well-being in our lives. Home is where we experience the overwhelming sense of belonging and acceptance. We envision a sanctuary we call home, a space where life unfolds in our presence, for our benefit, and in our company. We only feel at ease. We only feel like ourselves with unbridled comfort in our homes. Where would you call home?